Before we start, all we do is we go into our Google Ads interface, and I'm going to go for a niche dentist. So the dentist near me, dental practice, and so on. And if you want me to do some keyword research for you and show you how I would organize a campaign for your niche, then just ping me an email or put it in the comment box and I'll schedule it in the forthcoming sessions. So I put in dentist over here. You'll see a long list of search terms or keywords which people are searching for. You will also see in here a refined keywords which is in beta at the moment, which is quite handy actually because it shows us branded and non-branded keywords. And I quite like this little window over here because it gives me ideas for all my keywords. So you'll see the keywords on the right hand side, or when you go into your keywords planner tool, right? And then I can start to see that, okay, these are the kind of services which the dentist offer: emergency dentist, family dentist, implants, tooth extraction, cosmetic dentist, and so on. I try and avoid single word keywords because they are not very focused and they can potentially blow away a lot of your budget. So this gives a really good idea as to what people are searching for. And there's some more over here. So you've got the usual: teeth whitening, teeth cleaning, dental bridge, cosmetic dentist, and so on, family dentist. Emergency dentist, with our guess, would be the most important one. Now with campaigns like dentist, emergency plumber, locksmith, these are all campaigns which work really well with call ads, because you don't want to fill in a form on a website and wait for somebody to call you back. You're in pain, or you want urgent attention. You want to pick up the phone, speak to somebody at the end of the phone, book in an appointment, or pretty much go straight away. So always set up call campaigns as well for these local based services businesses, and you'll find that call ads work the best. The cost per click will be a lot higher, but they will convert a lot more as well. So just don't think that, oh, the click cost is too much, I'm not going to go after them. Do set up a call campaign and you will notice the difference. So run two campaigns, one with the text ad, which you will have extended text ads and responsive search ads, as well as your call ads. I found in some campaigns the text ads are really expensive because people aren't converting, and the call ads work wonderfully well. So I would recommend you do that. The brand ones as well, so other brands, you can see NHS is our National Health Service in the UK. Smile Dental Care, I guess this is a big brand in the UK. Family Dental Health, I'm not sure whether this is a brand or not, but it says in other brands: Happy Dental, Perfect Dental, Smile Center, Dentist Direct. So we can also get some ideas as to who our competitors are and whether you wish to go after them. Now, I'm not sure why Reddit is a competitor to my dentist, but there you go. Sainsbury's is a supermarket in the UK, like Walmart's is in the US. So again, you need to just go through them and make sure that you are not going after irrelevant brands as well. So this gives me a really good idea. All right, so I'll download the keywords, click the download button, right? I then upload them over here. In fact, I will upload them all in this tab, which is the all keywords, or create a new blank tab, put everything in here, and all I need to do is to sort them out by average monthly search. So I've got the highest ones at the top, and then as you go along, see how many we've got. 478, but like some of the very low volume keywords I tend to ignore. I go up to right about 30 or 40 average monthly searches per month. Then I go to my other tab, which is the keywords. So I'll copy them from here and then paste them in this column A and B. Now let me try and make these windows like this so we can see them and you can also see what I'm looking at. So I want to go to that service tab and I'm going to look at emergency dentist. So that's the first thing I'm going to put in. Once I put in that word in this pink row or box, this sheet is going to search all the cells which has got these two words in it in any order. Emergency dentist near me, NHS emergency dentist 24-hour, and so on. So this set of keywords is highly targeted. So when I write the ads for this ad group, I'm going to have emergency dentist in headline 1 and in somewhere in the description and also in path 1 and path 2. So super relevant, highly relevant. As soon as somebody will see my ad, more likely they are going to click on it.